Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you my incredible journey of turning $100 into $10,000 in just 1 week with cryptocurrency trading. If you're interested in cryptocurrency and want to learn how to make money with it, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share my step-by-step guide on how I did it and how you can do it too. Step 1. Research. The first step to making money with cryptocurrency trading is to do your research. You need to understand the market trends, the coins that are hot, and the ones that are not. You can use tools like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko to help you with your research. Once you have identified the coins that are worth investing in, you need to learn as much as you can about them. Read their white papers, study their roadmaps, and check out their communities on Reddit and Discord. Step 2. Setting up an account. Once you have done your research, the next step is to set up an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges to choose from, but I recommend using Coinbase or Binance. These two exchanges are beginner-friendly, easy to use, and have a large selection of coins to choose from. Step 3. Buying and selling. Once you have set up your account, it's time to start buying and selling. The key to making money with cryptocurrency trading is to buy low and sell high. You need to keep a close eye on the market and be ready to make quick decisions. It's also important to have a strategy in place. One strategy that worked well for me is to set a stop loss at 10% and a take profit at 20%. Step 4. HODL. HODL, or hold on for dear life, is a popular strategy among cryptocurrency traders. It means that you should hold onto your coins for a long time and not sell them during market dips. This strategy is best suited for long-term investors who believe in the potential of a particular coin. However, it's important to keep a close eye on the market and be ready to sell if necessary. Step 5. Diversification. Diversification is an important strategy for any investment portfolio, and cryptocurrency is no exception. You should never invest all your money in one coin or exchange. Instead, you should diversify your investments across multiple coins and exchanges. This will help reduce your risk and increase your chances of making a profit. Conclusion. And there you have it, my step-by-step guide on how I turned $100 into $10,000 in 1 week with cryptocurrency trading. Remember, cryptocurrency trading is not for everyone. It's a high-risk, high-reward investment that requires a lot of research, patience, and discipline. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, the potential rewards can be significant. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency trading tips and tutorials.